Look who. Good morning, guys. So I decided I'm gonna watch me run out on them t-shirt and I go support her. As them watch me in at them, you know. You see all of my black owned business t-shirt them, my black owned business t-shirt them from Lorraine C. Manning's DMG, yeah, and run out pan them. I have a few more, but they are not Jamaican, but are black owned t-shirts business. I try to support them. But today it's about showing you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go at the mall because, as you can see, I don't have my ring on. I exchange my ring because I didn't have a white gold ring, and I hear that I have to carry go get it polished and send it out. It gone for a week or two, and then I don't have no ring on my finger because I feel naked when I not have it on my finger. So what I gonna do literally is go to the mall right now, go pick up my ring because them say it's ready, and then I gonna go Costco, and then my glasses is also ready, so I'm gonna take you with me. So pick up on a nice clean self, and I gonna just show up my little trip to the mall, and it's a little vlog, okay? So here we go. Okay guys, so I'm heading over now to the mall, and I'm gonna use my GPS because I'm not home and I don't know the direction from where I'm at. So just travel with me. Let's just travel with me. The direction that I am, I never drove from here to the mall, so I'm heading there now.
At the stop sign, turn right onto South Street.
So I'm using my GPS. So if you hear my GPS, I gotta use it because I don't know the direction.
At the light, turn left onto Mountain Avenue.
Sometimes, some people quiet this and just...
Turn right onto Oakwood Drive. In half a mile, turn left. In 2.3 miles, turn left onto Southern Boulevard.
Okay. What are you doing? Where are you sending me? Let's drive with me. We're heading to the mall. Da da dee da 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 dee da da. Alright. Today is nice. It's like 70 something. Like 72. The light changed, bro. It's like 70 something today. It's a beautiful day. Every day I'm on the road, I'm literally arguing with people. Them just not know. But like sometimes them just upset my spirit. Sometimes you're up on the left hand side, especially on the highway, like me literally cuss every day. Because then we make me lose my testimony, man. Literally we make me lose my testimony because you see how the place beautiful, guys? Place nice, not true. Road clean and pretty. So how they make me cuss every day is that you have some people in the left lane I drive, and them I drive so slow when they have the middle and the right lane there, and them actually in the left lane I drive. Like it make me so upset, it make me so angry sometimes when me have to do that with them on the road. Like, bro, you're in the left lane I drive, go over on the right lane, me have to depend. Me turn on, like, bro, I drive? Take me head. Oh no, really in the left lane? Let me show you how I go on sometime. I'm like, bro, come on, bro. Oh no, really in the left lane I drive? 25 miles per hour per highway. Bro, go in the left in the right lane, man. Right lane of slow going people. Like, come on, man. Come out of it. And sometimes I drive up to them and say, oh no, go over this, man. Go over this, so. Yeah, so sometimes when I go line, dip on the road, I saw me go on a daytime. Not happy with the people them we are whole up. And sometimes you know you dip on a little rush and you want to go about your business and you know you have them in the road and slow because sometimes me not gonna lie. The left lane I move faster, but when you look and see the big old space ahead because this person in the line I move extremely slow. I want to go right so. No stoplight in there so. I made the traffic this year I come back up you know. Cause no stoplight in there so. Right. So you know. You when you look, you see the big old space in front of them. This big old space in front of them. And them now drive up. And then now when you look and see the left lane, go in the left, in the right lane. And stop take up my space, I want to go. Yeah, sometimes I get upset with them, man. But that is it. But up here is a very, very nice. Up here is a nice community. It's Summit. Up here is a Summit, New Jersey. Up here is so nice, you know. Yep. Ever. Me not gonna stay long with right here, so. But in time I close to the mall, we will just do another like a quick vlog. Showing us when I reach at the mall. Showing you when I go in a Zales, go pick up my ring. And me not stay at the mall because I'm not gonna buy nothing. Like we have some midday traffic. I see the stoplight that we are down there, so. And this is not moving. So we do a little mini vlog with everything on my way to Costco. I want to do a bed bath. I go bed bath and beyond clothes, guys. Every single one here in Jersey. I don't know if which part in a day, anybody watching at the state, if it closed everywhere, or no let me know. Oh no, I'm not turn. Right. So I don't know if we're not there. I don't know if we're not there nowhere in the states where Bed Bath and Beyond still open, but everyone here so in Jersey, gone master, we don't have nothing left here. So we have to either shop online so you can't get to feel the texture where you are buying no more. I'm upset. But me I go Home Goods because Home Goods sell the same quality as Bed Bath and Beyond. But Bed Bath and Beyond, a lot of my stuff them in my house is from Bed Bath and Beyond because I like nice things and I like quality. So I'm not buying them little Amazon sitting there for me. Either go Home Goods or Bed Bath and Beyond. I know for actually see, but me like for going to the stores them and feel the quality of the material. When we don't feel the quality of the material, that I'm disappointed. Really am. Yeah. But I'll go Home Goods because I'm trying to find some things for Christmas. Christmas is coming and I'm ready to fix up my place and decorate my place, and it's now October and you want to, you know, start putting things together for your home. And this is it, you know, guys. I'm not the kind of person who will really shop for clothes and shoes anymore. I think I have enough of that throughout my life. I just love to see when my place clean and spotless.
At the next light, turn left.
clean and have nice quality stuff and spotless. After a hard days of work, whether mentally or physically, whether if me on my computer trying to figure out stuff, I could have even for vlog or whatever. When me done, I just want to lay down and cock up my foot, maybe watch a TV and feel cozy and feel nice in a clean, nice place. But if your place not clean and if it's not nice and then something like you just feel,
turn left onto Southern
you just feel miserable, you know? You just feel miserable. Okay, I'm gonna turn left right here, so. Alright guys, let's show you what's wrong with it now. Yeah.
Onto Buxton Road, then keep right onto Fairmount Avenue. Keep right.
Why to take me to my place here? Why? Okay guys, I'm gonna cut this off now and then see you when I got to the mall. I'm close to the mall guys. Just a few minutes to go, like 4 minutes. See, there's a song singing right here. I'm telling you, trust me, it would have been so nice if I could have heard it, but you know, I don't want them flag my videos. Yeah, Boston College. That's what's on that vehicle. Boston College. Where Boston College is? Is it in New Jersey? Okay.
In 2.2 miles, turn left onto Passaic Avenue.
Okay, this a car with in front of me. Me not gonna reach me. I got so me wait. Me go cut on off a little bit again. This place is really nice. Nice to live. Like it's just a clean and nice environment for you to live with children. Oh yeah. Person is nice. Maybe up here something need to buy my next house. Place is very nice up here. Quiet. Cozy. But the speed limit is 30 miles per hour. It's 30 miles per hour is the speed limit. So can't drive fast. That means
at the next light, turn left.
Even though some parts look so bushy, it can be like deer. We run out in a boatload. Jesus, one deer, me nearly lick one deer one night up at Livingston. I say my heart nearly fly out of my mouth. Because me did just start drive them time there. And the deer run out for me at almost 12 o'clock at night. In the road. Me say,
turn left onto Passaic Avenue.
I was so hurt. I was so hurt. that night. Like I couldn't, when I go home, like when I go home, I literally couldn't sleep. I literally could not sleep, guys. I almost licked the deer. But I'm glad I never lick him. Because I know somebody will lick a deer with the other day. And then carry total.
In 3/4 of a mile.
Total. And carry total. I don't know the road here. I don't know the road here at all. 2 minutes away from the mall.
Turn left.
But one little old man was in front of me, and trust me, I'm drive slow. And the speed limit here is low, very low. So I must go in like 15 miles per hour. You know, a lot of days people just don't want to stop drive. Don't want to. I know this little lady that last time said that she right off the car with she and her husband, and that's what make her, because her friends used to tell her stop driving. I said, you see, that's the thing, it's selfishness, because you're putting other people's life at risk. They've been
turn left onto South Orange Avenue.
They've been telling her
right turn.
to stop. They've been telling her to stop stop driving. Oh yeah, me know the road. You see, me know it going that way very well, because me used to work right there. So I used to work at a nursing home, and me just come here right down there. So me know the way. Just that. Alright guys, so you see, sometimes them selfishness cause people to lose their life, because she literally said it. She literally said it. That our friends and people them been tell her to stop. You know? Them been tell her to stop. Why should come and block the road? Oh my God. Hello. Don't brush this car right now. I'm not even move. Car, if you see how she itch up on my car. Block the road, block the right lane over there. So that's wrong. We're gonna need to turn this down, because I don't know if I play it, we get in that trouble. And YouTube is the kind of people them that pick up sound in the background, you know, when you do your video, them pick up sound in the background. See, I almost making light left me there. Wanna see how the mall look, guys? This is how the mall look. Look how it look. You can't see it? This big old building with nothing on the outside. Boring as me don't know what to say. And then close the Lord and Taylor here in a COVID, or right before COVID. right before COVID, then close the Lord and Taylor here. Trust me. From them did that, the mall. From them closed this Lord and Taylor. Anyway, guys, I'm about to go into the mall right now, and I'll do a little quick vlog. Big old empty mall. Run out on them t-shirt. Entering in a Macy. Macy have sale, VIP sale. Oh, how are VIP now? It was 40 to 60% off. Macy have big sale. But no matter how big, I not buy nothing. Now at the best time. Last year I overspent for Christmas, I'm not gonna lie. This year I'm not plan to do it. I start get me gift them already. Because when you buy things last minute, mess you. So I already buy for my son and my husband. Them last year get gift. You know, I like come on this Macy. I don't know if I want to do it till last act. When I come on last act at Macy, sometimes you have the last brand left. And you find something in the last act, yeah, so. I mean, I tell you, say, quality you get, you know. For little or nothing. Sometimes when you come, you know. Over here, so the man's side. Oh, nothing over here, so. Clothes. I don't buy no more clothes. Let me go buy it. I'm gonna buy deodorant this year. Yeah. Versace. It's a Versace set. And it have 15% off. So I'm gonna buy a cologne mostly this year. I'm not buying no clothes and no shoes. Nobody don't want no clothes and no shoes. But I'm gonna buy myself a Chanel. Yeah. These are pretty expensive, so it's looking I purchased a Chanel the other day. I was looking to see if I saw it and if because it was on sale when I purchased
Men's
it.
or women?
Women.
Yeah, we still have the 15% off.
Oh, it's still on sale.
Today's the last day for it.
Huh?
Today's the last day for the 15%.
Oh, really? Okay.
And the Lady Chanel is over there.
Okay. Guys, you come at the mall. Look how big the mall is. Look how empty it is. Nobody now shop again, you know? Nobody now come in at the mall, come shop. All of them stores are soon closed down. It's sad. It's very, very sad. Look. Sears did that down there, so Sears closed. Richard Zales. See? Nobody now shop again. Nobody's shopping.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm here to pick up my ring.
Something that we sent to our jeweler to be repaired?
Yes.
Okay. G, I'm going to continue helping this lovely lady. Okay. She's going to pick up her repaired.
Sure.
Okay? Okay, I'm with you.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How you been?
I'm alright.
You have your ID on you?
Yes.
Enjoy the day.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful outside. For now. That me one.
is where it's specialized, either in Europe or in home. In Europe, it takes a couple of centuries, and in Europe, it takes a couple of months.
You know what? I think it's under my husband's name.
I'm still trying to log on.
Oh. Okay.
It's so much more vibrant.
But because I keep bringing it back to get it clean, and I decide I don't want any more white gold. I just want a yellow gold. I don't. Yeah, yellow gold, right? Because people are getting annoyed of the white gold getting changed. It's really yellow gold on the there. Yeah. So I'm like, I don't need that. I just need a yellow gold. I don't care. Yeah. I don't,
Have her phone number, right? All right, so we're gonna make sure that we have the card in our client's on it, and we're gonna make a wish list for you. We're also gonna send you
really? What? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. People are still getting married. It's slow, but you know.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. You know, I didn't put the engravement in that ring.
The engraving?
Yeah, I didn't put it. I forgot. But it's okay. Maybe next time when I send it out.
Yeah.
Because the protection plan is very expensive. It's 400 and change. It's on it though. Yeah. So I could do whatever I want when I want. Oh my god.
My wrist is going.
Mhm. Yeah. Wow.
It's blinding.
Man. That is it. Undo.
I can't do that.
These nails really need to be done.
I can't help you there. I have to do mine too, actually.
Lovely. So guys, I literally pick up my ring. As you can see, look at it. Wow. It's beautiful. So I said I wasn't gonna buy anything on the mall, but I remember I'm gonna get 5 Victoria's Secret panties. I was here the other day and I buy a dozen, but it was so much different colors. So I need 5 now because it's on sale. No, I got 10 the last time I was here. So I'm gonna get 5 black ones because sometimes you wear a certain clothes. So guys, I gotta do a voiceover on this one. I was at the mall, so I decided to go into Victoria's Secret to pick up 5 black underwear because I have so much clothes that when I'm wearing them, I need black underwear. When I look into my drawer, I barely have black. So I hate when I wear color certain clothes and I realize that I have to wear a certain color panty like brown, light brown, cream, purple. They will show up under my clothes. So I decided to get a bunch of black right now. The music is playing in the mall in the background and it causing YouTube to copyright my videos, so I have to be careful what I'm doing. So there it is, 5. I get a blue because they don't have any more in the drawer. That's it. I just need these and I wear hipsters. By Victoria's Secret, that's all. So I'm on the mall, and I know I told you guys that I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I just find a black sister. She's from Haiti, and her business on the mall is I'm just brand. Look at it. So I came and I saw this outfit and I said I really love it. But look what it said. It's I survived everything that came to destroy me. And honestly, when I saw this, I said, oh my God, it just reminded me of my book. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna come in and see. And now to find out that it's a black-owned business, I have to buy something. So I'm gonna purchase a shirt. If you come here to shop, just tell them that Donna sent you. Yeah, so I'm gonna get 2 of these t-shirts for myself, 2 different color. There you go. And there it is. God is great. Awesome. From one black sister to the next. See her there? That's her business. Yes. You know, she's from Haiti, but you know, we are sisters, we are neighbors. And we are black-owned business. I always like to support black-owned business. I said I'm trying to buy as much black-owned stuff nowadays and support our people than, you know, by the people that already billionaire. Try to help them to grow. Amazing. Yep. So guys, I'm done. I purchased the tops. And see, God is great. So I purchased that and I purchased my 5 pants. And I'm heading to Home Goods now and Costco. Then I'm gonna go pick up my glasses. The pants that she showed me on the thing, she didn't have it, but she sent me to someone who have it. So I'm gonna, on my way home, I'm gonna stop there to see if I get it. But yeah, I'm heading to Home Goods. When I reach Home Goods, I'll put up back my camera. See you in a few. Okay. All right. We are now heading to...
At the next light, turn left.
We're now heading to Home Goods. Oh, I am so
At the light,
thirsty.
turn left onto Walnut Street.
Guys, me not talk to you, no. I'm turn on camera. Me eat a little snack. You know, me I tell you, see, when you see the t-shirt, it grabbed me.
Turn left onto West Mount Pleasant
That's why I'm
Avenue.
gonna try my best. Don't go away like that. Because I'm gonna need stuff, you know. But when I tell you say the writing get me, it really get me. God is great. That's an awesome thing
At the next
to put
light,
on your
turn
clothes,
left.
because you know a lot of people don't really, you know, not saying a lot of people don't promote the word, but a lot of people don't believe in Father God. So when you have a brand and you put it in that means you truly believe in it, and that's awesome. Also, you know that I'm a survivor it just brings something to me. I'm going to the store and me and her talk a little bit before I turn on the camera, even after I turn off the camera. And when she say,
At the light, turn left onto West
yeah,
Pleasant
I
Avenue.
know, I need to turn this off now, I know where I go. Hey Siri, stop navigation.
Ending navigation.
Hold on there. So, I never turn this down. So, if actually, me and her talk and she tell me, say, she get married. At Jamaica she go. She's an Asian. Her husband is an American. And she said she go to Jamaica, go get married. Jamaica. She went to Jamaica when she get married. And honestly, this is how I feel. Like, you know, whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, this is how I feel. Knowing that, you know, we really haven't been promoting our own people, businesses enough. Support them. We already go and buy expensive stuff with the people them already make it and don't need our money. When we see our people, we need to support their business. You know, give them the same attitude like when you walk into somebody who already billionaire business. We walk in there and we spend our money with no attitude. We need to give them the same support, the same love, same everything. Our people. Anyway, guys, on my way to Costco and on my way to Costco and Home Goods right now. I'm not stay long because I want to use the bathroom. So I'm just run in and run out. I just want to see what I can get at Home Goods. Don't need nothing. I just about go in there to see if me see something will pop. When my mind change out of my house. And just put in. Alright, now you disturb me. Because when I overdrive up one night I change. So I just want to go in at Home Goods to see if I find something where I pop. And I say, oh, I'm going to take this out of my house and put this in because it give me a different vibe. But apart from that, that is it. These people don't drive up on the road. Oh my god. I don't know what is this. Me take my money and buy. This literally look like it will kill people. So much sugar. Man. So guys, me really start to have different views on how I buy my things them. You know, support black owned businesses. A lot of t-shirt and stuff out there that can help promote them business. So you wear them. This man me get up, me put on a run out pan them t-shirt. Because as them watch me in there, as them wash, and because me wear t-shirt every day. So t-shirt never too much. I have a closet full of t-shirt. But some of them I don't know who made them, I don't know the brand, so I start to wear more of the black owned business t-shirts. Oh my gosh. Why did I come into this? Well, me soon turn. But this is just disgusting, man. Look at this. Oh. hate I have to drive behind them. Them just make me ignorant. Okay, so I'm reach at Costco. And as you can see, Costco is ahead there. But I'm going into Home Goods first. Go! You don't see the top sign up there, so but see ya. Lady, I'm in the bus here. Okay. You know what? Let's go down there, so. Go look closer. Okay, so there is Home Goods. Home Goods is right there. Park this vehicle. Man, this damn thing is just sugar. The good thing about here, when you come here, Home Goods is right beside Costco. So you step in and out. Yeah, come here, sweat. About my bad. I don't know why I not turn on the AC. If I never did a vlog, I wind down the glass car, the fresh air better. Okay, I got Karen in at Home Goods. Guys, see Home Scent they're up there so too. So you have Home Goods and Home Scent, them sell the same thing, and them sell nice quality stuff. So walk with a car, just you see Christmas here already. Christmas from October 1st. I realize I want to change. I need to put my key where I can't find it. So yeah, we need a pot set, a nice pot set. Wow. $6 for one of them now. These are nice teacups. If me buy a set of them here, $5 for this. Buy a set of them here. Excuse me. Thank you. Whoop. So I need a pot set, but I'm not seeing the sets here. I'm just seeing. Oh wow. These aren't what I'm talking about. They have wood top here. I just need set. I need a set. You don't need a mix match anything. Like this. Oh, the heavy in a Rasta jar. Oh wow. It's so heavy. Need a set though. Need a set because I want to dash out the pattern. Guys, I literally want to show some of the pattern on my off. But I want a nice fat set. I really need a nice fat set. No, I'm not in any part. Just need a whole set. Need a set. Not a single part. No one part. I'm trying to see what I really want in there now. Apart from the pot, I need nothing. So invest in a kitchen, in my kitchen, and get some new set of stuff. I'll show some of them mama out there. Okay. On a board. This thing, every damn thing on me. See? I really have. I can't even sit here. I mean, not even use some of them. It's just that I need a pot set. I don't really need it now. I want to get rid of some of them first. Let's have a look. I'm going to look here because I still can't find out what I want in there. Yeah. Okay, let me know what I want now. I want bathroom. Plastic. I want bathroom plastic. I don't even have place to put towels. I need no towel. My closet I have with my towel and rag full. I need another something there now. The closet I have with my rag and curtains and full. You know them, you see them? $39. I must about 8 of them. $39 I pay for them. I have about 8 of them in my sofa chair in my living room. And sometimes I feel like I dash them and replace them with something else. Like me damn tormented. I need a shower plastic. Comforter sheet. I don't want none of them something. None. See so? It feel warm but not too warm. I'm sure the lights. But we don't need them. Because I don't even have a place to put them. I have so much there. Look. What do you say? Calvin Klein. I never know Calvin Klein gone in a home now, gone build old stuff. I want one rug for my living room because I buy one of this last year. I want it white. I buy it in here for same $79. but that was, it said it was on sale. Let me see how inch this here. This 5x7. The one I'm gonna buy was a 5x7, but me maybe buy this one because the white one it get dirty now. I mean I know how to wash it. What me I gonna do with it? Or should I buy this? This ruffle. The ruffle for this is thicker. I'm gonna go online there today now, Bed Bath and Beyond, and see matte for 100 and enough. Never know say Bed Bath Home Goods have them here. And these are nice. They are nice. These are nice matte. Nice rug. Calvin Klein. I can't believe it. Would I do well with this grey one here? But I'm gonna try first if I can wash the one that I have at the house. If I can wash it, I'm not buying none yet. I'm not buying any yet. Not in here with my want, you know. Nothing. No grab me. Not that thing. No grab me in here. I don't see nothing what me would have said. You know, I want that. Or I want this, nothing. Nothing. Not a earthly thing. I don't see nothing in here. Wait, grab me. Oh, these are nice. These are really nice. What I put them here? I don't know. Oh wow, a sack. Nothing. I never seen a plant. Nothing look like plant. I could have put in my living room. I don't see none of them there in here. I see nothing. Come on. I need not go bother about home scent. Because, to be honest, I see nothing what I want. Everything, like anything I already have. Enough of the things them in them I already have. Nothing in there for pop. If me go Bed Bath and Beyond, maybe would I find things that I want. I don't see no nice shower curtain. No nice. I don't see no nice nothing. No nice nothing in there. What I want. So. You know. I'm PP. To Costco. Later, guys. Go to Costco. I only need about 10 something at Costco or less. Nah, put up nothing much. You go, mommy. I have to look for my Costco card. Lord Jesus, I hope I have it. I don't have it now for the join line, you know, damn it. You know, something I have it? I hate come to Costco. Oh my god, I have to join line. Oh my god. Damn it. When I have to come to Costco and join line when I have my Costco membership. I like this. Oh. I need my membership. I gotta go that way, right? So Costco already have Christmas set up here. Christmas tree and all the whole works. I don't know, I like this one. But I'm not buying because I already have my Christmas tree. You see how much of them, okay? Only for money, 600 and change. Yeah. $600 and change. Do I need Christmas mat? I don't. I maybe get 2 mat if them cheap. Yeah, at least Costco have a buzz. Let me see. What the price? What's the price to them? At least they have a buzz. Look at this mat. I'm gonna buy mat last year, you know. I'm gonna like them. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this make me say Christmas. No, I'm not with no white in there. You wipe your foot from this, you dirty. I like the red one there. Let me see this green one. Yeah, but would I prefer take a pear? Yeah, take a pear of the same thing. For the side door and the front door, just those 2 doors. Costco have a buzz and the material of the mat them. Yeah, they look washable. I'm gonna put them down for Christmas. Oh yeah. Now I need to know how much I'm selling for them. Yeah, let's go have a buzz. Then I'm gonna go in a storeroom for next year because I'm not buying on next year. These are nice. At least Costco have a buzz. At least something like Costco when I like. You see? And cushion are nice. If you follow me, the last time I come and buy it was about 10 cushion and I don't want them now. You know? I get carried away, you know. Last time I come here, I buy about 10. So see the carpet them here where Costco have what I want. $170. But this car only in my car, I need somebody to come buy it for me with a van. You see? It's nice. You see? The texture it just rich. So I want somebody to buy me, I'll take the picture. Sorry. See? That big carpet there. I don't know if a car that I go work, you know. Not the one for 130, but the one for 179. So it's 180 for it, that 1 year. This nice, but to wash this, man, maybe I should have take the black one so I can just vacuum it. Black and gold. I really like black and gold. I really like this. This is my favorite. But when they still wash out, it I go carpet cleaner. So you see Costco have pad set, you know, but them just not the quality. It's not the quality when I want. Like the thick one that I see in our Home Goods. We do have pad set. It's just that them not as heavy. They have pot set, but them just not as heavy as I want them. I want them only for like a frying pan here. I want them. It's not what I want. My heavy duty pot set. Heavy duty. Right, them yeah. Yeah, them I want. But they don't have them in a set, are just two. Just two in it. This is their sugar. I don't know what I want in here. I don't think I need nothing. Every time I buy something, dash it away. Mat, this, that. Last year I buy mat and them throw it outside. Dash them away. Waste things. It's crazy. Buy red mat last year and them outside for the whole year till me dash them away. Can I use them done for Christmas? So I don't want them a red mat, yeah. So I watch me come back and buy again. And them wasn't cheap. Maybe $20 for one. It's crazy. It's crazy. Waste money. That's all I do. See things like it and tomorrow I like it again. Mind change. I try to curve myself. You know? Because I never have certain things. Hello, what's this? Awesome. Gonna try it. So far, what I pick up is 25 pound of white rice for the kids, not for me. They don't like the parboiled rice. I need a 20 pack of parboiled. Buy 3 pack of honey, a frosted flakes, tissue, paper towel, some plantain. I'm not picking up much because I don't want much. I hate to buy extra stuff and don't have nowhere to put them. Crowded up the place with stuff. Yeah. Can't find the parboil. We need lactose milk. Can't find the parboiled rice. You see this? I don't remember how much money I saw it online for. See, look on the price. Here. If you Google this shit, I see how much money for it online. And I did bought it online until I come in here and find it. You know? Okay. I need vegetable oil. I'm gonna buy this one. need lotion. Okay. I need. I don't know if I have body wash. I need lotion. I want people so bad. Oh my god, this is crazy. I'm tired and I'm ready to go home. So guys, it come to the end of my video. I just leave Costco, pack up the things in the car, and I bought a pizza. Just gonna take it home to see if anybody want any. A whole box of pepperoni. See that? See that? That's not healthy. I might have a slice. I just wash my hands. Yeah. I use the bathroom in Costco. This is very hot. You know what? I did need paper towel to suck up some of this oil. It's not healthy. I'm gonna have a slice. Oh my god, it's so hot. So, let me put this in the bag. Guys, you see me run out on them t-shirt? Some white people. I wish me have my camera on. But some white people corner me right there, so I can go and ask me, what are your t-shirts saying? What does it mean? What is it saying? It said I'm gonna run out on you. And run out on you? What do you mean? It said run out on them in patois, but it mean I'm gonna run out on you. Or them. It's gonna run out on you or run out on them. But it means running out on you. And like, oh. Several time. I go up on the road in the t-shirt them when I buy. Jamaican t-shirt, Donna t-shirt. And they ask me, even with Donna t-shirt, Team Anti-Donna, they might ask me who is Donna. I'm going to tell them she's a famous lady in Jamaica that doing great things. And it's mostly white people ask me. Mostly white people that ask me. There's a black Jamaican woman that is doing great things for the country. So it's Team Anti-Donna. Yeah, I went out. Maybe there's somewhere. And one elderly lady said, what is the Team Anti-Donna for? And I say, she's a famous lady. Hopefully she will run for presidency in Jamaica. We are hoping that she run for presidency in Jamaica. And let me tell them. Anyway guys, I'm going home. I come to the end of the vlog and I hope you enjoyed. I know it's a lot and it's like a bagga, but I just want to see if I could do this. Like, you know, just vlog for the day, which is not the whole day, but it's like from 2 o'clock And now, no, like 1 o'clock, and now it's 4:30. I'm gonna head home now, take a shower. I honestly don't want my clothes, my seatbelt get nasty up with no food. I hate to see dirty, nasty seatbelt. Now, mommy, buy me for one pizza. But if a pizza come out the house, I can buy a box, people buy a box. My cousin will buy a box, my husband buy a box. I honestly like for use the napkin and just tap onto it and take up some of the oil. Don't consume all this oil. But not eat nothing from eat breakfast. I grab a bite. Maybe this is the only piece me eat. Anyway, guys, see you later. Bye. You wanna watch me take the last bite? Try to go home now, go make them eat this. Should I buy some Gatorade, a case of Gatorade? I'm gonna try to cut off for some artificial stuff. So I come eat the pizza, you know. That's it. No more. Ta-da! Guys, look how I'm say I'm done with the blog. But I'm gonna pick up my glasses. See them here. Yes. Look. Want me key there? Oh really? What's up? What do you mean? What am I doing with my damn key? So let me key this. So me key here. You don't know say. So me key here. It say. Look what it say. Look what me key. Look what me key here say. Come. Look what it say.
Detected. Key not detected.
That mean when it said that, let me tell you now what me do. We reach at the place, don't know what time them close. So excited. So me come in at the car and it's like me so excited to go get me something and step out and left my car on. Alright, they saw the door there, but me never realized say. Me never realized say me don't turn off the car. I'm going to go collect this something. Nobody never in there. As me go in there, me get it. I just have to sign for it. But turn it off. I don't know why it say it's the key about the key, cause the key this no, it's the key. It has said the key. Wait, say again the key. So but you hear me say, how come hear the engine on for the car? Maybe not do them craziness a lot these days, you know. What is that? So white, come on. Connect. That beeping for. Anyway, guys, finally gone now for the day. I'm done. I'm getting the glasses. You did watch your foot. And I'm going home to take a shower. I'm hot and sweaty. Adios.